Welcome everyone. I'm glad that you're here at this lightning talk. My name is Branko Brklec. I'm coming from University of Novi Sad. It's 250 kilometers from here to the north. And this is a joint work with my colleagues. The title, as you see, is Sunflower Pollination Counting or Pollinators Counting. We will briefly talk about data collection experiment and some ongoing research that's involving analysis of these collected images. It's also joint work with our colleagues from Norway Institute, NINA, and it's part of larger European project where this kind of field experiment is a component providing quantitative information for some other modeling activities. So what is it all about? Well, it's about something we call nature-based solutions. So how we can plan some landscape changes or make predictions in order to utilize nature infrastructure, for example, to stimulate crop production by having more pollinators and in that sense better yield of crops. North of Serbia is an agricultural region. So it's of utmost interest to have good pollination, and the best way to do it is to have nature help us, and that's what we are doing in this project. So, what kind of data set has been collected last year during the summer campaign? These are sunflower images that were collected by automated cameras. These are wildlife recording cameras that were put in the fields. On the next slides, I'll show setup and was to assess the influence of the surrounding area on the number and activity of sunflower pollinators in order to assess the effects of added value of these natural ecosystems in agricultural production. So how the experiments look like. This is my colleagues in the field, sunflower fields around Novi Sad and in other parts of Vojvodina, where the cameras were put on metal sticks above the ground, and each camera was filming only one this is the sunflower, especially in the field. And what we got is data collection that contains a lot of images, like 500,000 images, terabytes. The images that are 8K resolution. So conditions, and I'm open for any kind of questions. Thank you for that. Yes.
How do you use the sunflower movement during the day?
every sunset. So the data set is really huge, and it's not manually annotated. So we are also looking to ways to do some kind of semi-automated annotation, or even to